Myself Rajesh from Universal Public School, Shahajiniawala. See here the third chapter, arithmetic progression. In that the first is sequence. See here what is sequence? Definition of sequence: the set of numbers are arranged in a definite order is called a sequence. See here example. 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Second example is 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on. And third example is 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. See here definition of sequence: the numbers are arranged in a definite order is called sequence. See here order of number in first example, first two example and third example. See here these numbers are infinite number, and third example this number is finite number. This is finite number, and these numbers are infinite numbers. See here, the first order of a numbers are arranged in a particular order. See here, in first example, see here 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4. And in second example, see here 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 2 is 7. And in third example, 2 plus 4 is 2, 4 plus 2 is 6, and 6 plus 2 is 8. These numbers are in same order or definite order. This type of numbers we call sequence. Next, terms of a sequence. See here T1, T2, T3, T4 and so on. See here T1 is a first term, T2 is a second term, T3 is third term, and T4 is fourth term, and Tn is the last term or end term. See here for example, we taken finite sequence. See here 2, 4, 6, 8, so on 16. See here T1 is 2, T2 is 4, T3 is 6, T4 is 8 and so on. Tn is 16. Next we start definition of arithmetic progression. See here what is arithmetic progression? If the difference between two consecutive terms is constant, then the sequence is called arithmetic progression. See here the definition of arithmetic progression: the difference between two consecutive terms will be constant. See here for example 2, 4, 6, 8. डिफरेंस मीन्स हमें माइनस करना है, बट एडिशन मीन्स प्लस करना है, डिवीजन मीन्स डिवाइड करना है, एंड मल्टीप्लिकेशन और प्रोडक्ट मीन्स हमें मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना है. सी है एग्जांपल ऑफ अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. This is infinite sequence. See here the difference, common difference small d is equal to, see here consecutive term means 2 and 4, 4 and 6, 6 and 8. See here, difference between two consecutive terms. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Again d is equal to, means common difference, d is equal to 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. Again d is equal to 8 minus 6. 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. See here, the difference between any consecutive numbers will be constant, then the sequence we call arithmetic progressions. Next, see here, general form of an AP. See here, general form of an arithmetic progression is A1, A2, A3, so on. This is the terms of an AP. This is the general form of an AP. A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, and so on. See here, in arithmetic progression, the first term, see here, we can denote term as A1, A2, A3 or T1, T2, T3. See here, A1 is equal to T1, A2 is equal to T2. This is the general form of an AP. A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. See here, in arithmetic progression, the first term is denoted by A and the common difference is denoted by small d. See here, A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D is the general form of an AP. Next, we see the third example. In that example number 1, see here the given, which of the following sequence are AP? If it is an AP, find next two terms. तो हमें तो मालूम होगा AP कैसे फाइंड आउट करना है हमें. तो फर्स्ट हमें जो सीक्वेंस दिए उसे उसका कॉमन डिफरेंस निकालना है. तो कॉन्जिक्यूटिव टर्म का डिफरेंस सेम रहना चाहिए. See here, in first example, here T1 is equal to 5, T2 is equal to 12, T3 is equal to 90 and T4 is equal to 26. तो हमें AP है क्या नहीं? The given sequence is in AP or not find out करना है. तो हमें first common difference निकालना है. Okay, see here, common difference d is equal to, means small d is equal to T2 minus T1. See here, T2 is given already 12 minus 5, T1 is 5, 12 minus 5 is 7. Next, d is equal to T3 minus T2, T3 is 12, T3 is 19 minus T2 is 12, again 19 minus 12 is 7. Next, D is equal to T4 minus T3, T4 is 26 minus 19, again 7. See here, the given sequence is an AP. Then how to find out the next two terms? See here, how to find out the next two terms. See here, तो हमें T4 है, T5 फाइंड आउट करना है. T5 is equal to, तो हमें जनरल फॉर्म ऑफ AP मालूम है, क्या है? A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus 4D, and so on. See here, T5 is equal to A plus 4D. See here, A is the first term and D is the common difference. We find out already common difference is 7. See here, A is 5. 5 plus 4. B is 7. 5 plus 4 sevens are 28. 28 plus 5 is 33. Again next, T6 is equal to next A plus 5D. See here, A is the first term, and D is the common difference. A is 5 plus 5, D 7, 5 plus 5 sevens are 35. This is 40. See here, the next two terms of a sequence is 33 and 40. तो हमें ऐसे ही फाइंड आउट करना है. सेम प्रॉब्लम, इफ दे आस्क the given sequence is an AP, then find out the next two terms, then you refer this type of method. First T1, T2, T3, T4 find out करो, बाद में हमें कॉमन डिफरेंस निकालना है. तो कॉमन डिफरेंस सेम आने के बाद हमें T5, T6 तो ऐसे ही फाइंड आउट करना है. नेक्स्ट, see here, in the sequence, see here the given sequence 2 comma minus 2 minus 6 minus 10. See here in this sequence, here T1 is 2, T2 is minus 2, T3 is minus 6, T4 is minus 10. तो हमें क्या फाइंड आउट करना है? D फाइंड आउट करना है. क्यों? तो हमें ये जो दिए सो सीक्वेंस है इसे AP में दिखाना है. See here, common difference D is equal to T2 minus T1. See here, T2 is minus 2 minus T1 is 2. तो दोनों साइड माइनस रहने के बाद हमें प्लस करना है और साइड माइनस ही रखना है. See here, minus 4. Again D is equal to T3 minus T2. T3 is minus 6 minus T2 is minus 2 है, तो हमें ब्रैकेट लेना है माइनस 2 रहने के बाद. minus 6 minus into minus plus 2, again minus 4. Next D is equal to T4 minus T3. T4, see here, minus 10 minus T3 माइनस 6 है और हमें ब्रैकेट लेना चाहिए माइनस 6 माइनस 10 माइनस इंटू माइनस प्लस 6 minus 10 plus 6 is minus 4. See here, the common difference will be same. Therefore, the given sequence is an AP. Then find out next two terms. See here, T4 is there. Next we find out T5. तो मैंने आपको पहले ही बताया है कि जनरल फॉर्म ऑफ एन AP. See here, A1 means T1 is equal to A है, T2 is equal to A plus D है, T3 is equal to A plus 2D है और T4 is equal to A plus 3D. Next T5 is equal to A plus 4D. See here, A is the first term of a sequence. The first term is 2, means A is equal to 2 plus 4 into D. See here, D is the common difference. We find out the common difference. See here, A is equal to 2. A is equal to 2 plus 4 and the value of D is minus 4. See here, 2 plus, see here, 4 or plus 4 into minus 4 is minus 16. 2 plus into minus is minus 16. Answer is minus 40. Next T5 means T6 is equal to A plus A plus 5D. See here, A is first term 2 plus 5 into minus 4, 2 plus into minus 5 4s are 20 minus 80. See here, this is the next two term of an given sequence. Next, in short example number 2, see here, the first term A and common difference D are given. Find first four term of an AP. And the first example is given A is equal to minus 3, comma, D is equal to 4. They already given A is the first term and D is the common difference. तो हमें AP find out करना है, means sequence find out करना है. See here, how to find out an AP. See here, general form of an AP तो हमें मालूम है. क्या है जनरल फॉर्म ऑफ एन AP? A कॉमा A प्लस D कॉमा A प्लस 2D कॉमा A प्लस 3D कॉमा and so on. See here, means T1 is A comma, T2 is A plus D comma, T3 is A plus 2D comma, and T4 is A plus 3D. See here, A is the first term and D is the common difference. They are already given. तो हमें इस जनरल फॉर्म में A और D के वैल्यू पुट करना है. देखो, A is minus 3 comma, A is again minus 3 plus D is 4 comma, A is minus 3 plus 2 into 4, D is 4 plus 4 comma, again A is equal to minus 3 plus 3 comma 3 into 4 and so on. See here, minus 3 plus 4 is 1, minus 3 plus 2 4s are 8 comma, minus 3 plus 3 4s are 12 comma and so on. See here, minus 3 comma 1, minus 3 plus 8 is 5 comma, minus 3 plus 12 is 9. This is the required, therefore this is the required AP. See here, the first term A is minus 3 and D is the common difference. तो हमें ऐसे ही प्रॉब्लम को जनरल फॉर्म से फाइंड आउट करना चाहिए. Next, see here, A is given 200 and D is equal to 7. तो फाइंड आउट द AP of 4 terms. AP के 4 टर्म्स हमें फाइंड आउट करना है, तो सीक्वेंस फाइंड आउट करना है. तो हम नेक्स्ट और एक मेथड से सॉल्व करेंगे. सी हियर, T1 is equal to A, T2 is equal to A plus D, और इसको ही हम T1 plus D. नेक्स्ट, T3 is equal to A plus 2D है जनरल फॉर्म में. हम इसे T2 plus D भी कर सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट, T4 is equal to A plus 3D और T3 plus D. See here, और T1 is equal to T. तो देखो, A is 200. नेक्स्ट, T1 is 200 plus D is given 7, 207. Next, T2 plus D. T2 is, see here, T2 is 207 plus D. D is 7, 214. T3 is 214. Next, T4 is equal to T3 plus D. D is the common difference. See here, T3 is 214 plus D is 7 to 21. See here, this is the therefore required AP is 200, 207, 214, 221 and so on. See here, this is the required AP. Remaining problems are you see in the books. Next we go to self practice 3.1. In that self practice 3.1, in that question number 1, see here, which of the following sequence are AP? If they are AP, find the common difference. तो हमें AP, the given sequence is an AP or not, first हमें find out करना है. उसके बाद if they are AP, then find out the common difference. See here, तो मैंने आपको पहले ही बोला था, what is arithmetic progression? If the consecutive term, if two consecutive terms have the same common difference, means constant. If we difference the terms, then the difference will be constant, then the given sequence is an AP. See here, T1 is 2, T2 is 4, T3 is 6 and T4 is 8 and so on. See here, common difference small d is equal to T2 minus T1. T2 is 4 and T1 is 2. 2 minus 2 is 2. D. Again common difference d is equal to T3 minus T2. T3 is 6 minus T2 is 4. 6 minus 4 is 2. Again d is equal to T4 minus T3. T4 is 8 minus 6. Again 2. See here, the common difference d will be same, then the given sequence is an AP. Then find out common difference. तो common difference हम already find out किया है. Therefore common difference d is equal to 2. Next we find out the another examples. See here, the next problem or next question, in that the given sequence is 2, 5 by 2, 3, 7 by 2 and so on. तो हमें the given sequence is an AP find out करना है. तो AP find out करना है तो हमें common difference निकालना है. Okay, तो see here in that sequence, तो हमें लिखना है, टर्म्स लिखो, T1 is equal to 2, T2 is equal to 5 by 2, T3 is equal to 3 and T4 is equal to 7 by 2. In the book they given 3, that is wrong, this is 2. See here, the common difference, small d is equal to T2 minus T1. See here, T2 is 5 by 2 minus T1 is 2. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन कीजिए, 5 minus 2 to the 4 whole divided by 2. 5 minus 4 is 1 by 2. Next, d is equal to T3 minus T2. T3 is 3 minus T2 is 5 by 2. Again cross multiplication, 3 to the 6 minus 5 whole divided by 2. 6 minus 5 is 1 by 2. Next, d is equal to T4 minus T3. See here, T4 is given 7 by 2 and T3 is 3. Again cross multiplication. 7 minus 3 to the 6 divided by 2. 7 minus 6 is 1 by 2. See here, the common difference will be same in all three cases. Therefore, the given sequence is an AP. Therefore, common difference D is equal to 1 by 2. Next, see here the last question in that first last question 7. The given sequence is 3 comma 3 plus root 2 comma 3 plus 2 into root 2 plus comma 3 plus 3 root 2. तो हमें the given sequence को find out करना है where it is an AP or not. See here, T1 is 3 here, T1 is 3, T2 is 3 plus root 2, T3 is 3 plus 2 root 2, and T4 is 3 plus 3 root 2. The common difference small d is equal to T2 minus T1. See here, T2 is 3 plus root 2 minus T1 is 3. See here, this 3 is plus 3 and this is minus 3. दोनों get cancel होते हैं, remains only root 2. Again d is equal to T3 minus T2. T3 is 3 plus 2 root 2 minus, तो हमें ब्रैकेट लेना है. देखो 3 plus root 2, तो दो टर्म होने के बाद माइनस लीजिए. 3 plus 2 root 2 माइनस मल्टीप्लिकेशन कीजिए. माइनस इंटू प्लस इज माइनस 3, माइनस इंटू plus is minus root 2. See here, 3 get cancelled. This is minus 3, this is plus 3. Remains 2 root 2 minus root 2. तो कॉमन लीजिए, root 2 is common. 2 minus 1 into root 2. 1 root 2 is equal to again root 2. Next, D is equal to T4 minus T3. T4 is 3 plus 3 root 2 minus bracket लीजिए 3 plus 2 root 2 bracket close. See here, 3 plus 3 root 2 माइनस को ब्रैकेट में मल्टीप्लिकेशन कीजिए. माइनस 3 minus 2 root 2. See here, minus 3 plus 3 get cancelled and root 2 common लीजिए. Remains 3 minus 2 is root 2. Answer is 1 root 2 or root 2. See here, in all three cases, the common difference will be same. Therefore, the given sequence is an AP. See here, and the common difference D is equal to root 2. Next, second question in the practice set 3.1. See here, write an AP whose first term is A and common difference is D in each of the following, and the first example is given. A is equal to 10 and D is equal to 5. तो हमें सीक्वेंस फाइंड आउट करना है. See here, the general form of an AP is known that A comma A plus D comma A plus 2D comma A plus 3D comma and so on. Put the value of A and D in this general form of an AP, then we find out the sequence. See here, A is 10, comma, again 10 plus d is 5, comma, 10 plus 2 into 5, comma, 10 plus 3 into d is 5. See here, a is the first term and d is the common difference of a sequence. See here, a is equal to 10 and common difference is 5. A is 10, a plus d, 10 plus 5. Again, a is equal to 10 plus 2 into 5. D is 5. That's why 2 into 5. And here a is 10 plus 3 into 5. See here, 10 comma, 10 plus 5 is 15, comma, 10 plus 2 into 5 is 10, comma, 10 plus 3 into 5 is 15, and so on. See here, 10 plus 15, 20, 25, and so on. This is the required AP or sequence. See here, A is the first term and common difference will be same. This is the required sequence or AP. नेक्स्ट रिमेनिंग प्रॉब्लम्स आप सॉल्व कीजिए. जो भी डाउट रहेगा वो व्हाट्सएप के ऊपर मुझे सेंड कीजिए. ओके, और वैसे ही होमवर्क भी आपको करना चाहिए इससे कंटिन्यू. जो भी डाउट रहेंगे वो व्हाट्सएप के ऊपर मुझे सेंड कीजिए.